Hi, welcome back at the Signage Factory here in Bangkok. I want to show you something today which is very special. These letters are made of copper, and I'm going to tell you something more about it. There's also a halo lid, and as you can see, the LEDs are on the back side. We have an acrylic back insert. I'm very sure you are aware of what halo lid is. You see the light comes out from the back. And but let me talk with you a little bit more about copper. Okay, so copper is one of the more expensive materials, and copper is kind of like it oxides very, very fast, which means that once we clean it, and it looks like red copper. Once we clean it, it kind of like oxidizes very fast. It gets dull fast, and if you wait long enough, it will turn green. As you can see sometimes on copper roofs of churches and cathedrals. You see that grid. Now this customer wanted us to polish it, give it a hairline, and we fabricate the letters. And as you can see here, they're very meticulously fabricated. We edge blended the edges around it, and then we lacquer it, because only when you lacquer it, you don't get oxygen no longer to touch the material, and it stays like this. Which also means that you should use these letters rather indoor than outdoor, because outdoor you have chance that birds land on the letters and they scratch it, and the moment that you go through this lacquer layer, oxygen will get to the material and it will start oxidizing, and it will turn green eventually, but it will turn ugly first. And so if you want copper, we recommend these only to be used indoors. Okay, and yeah, as you can see, the letters are very meticulously finished. It's very important if you want to have that crisp surface. You need to use a material thick enough that it doesn't warp. Especially after soldering with the heat in the letters, you have a chance to start warping. But you can see with this set of letters, it has stayed very, very crisp. And this is what we are good at, especially at the Signage Factory. I said it a couple of times already, and I say it again. There is maybe one or two on the planet who can do it as good as this, but it doesn't get any better than this. Here at the Signage Factory, this is what you can expect. And you know where to find us. Our website, www.thesignagefactory.com in Bangkok, Thailand. I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.